Hey guys, it's Joe from Eastwood. This video is going to be the third video in a three-part series featuring every welder we offer so you can figure out exactly what welder will fit your needs, skill level, and budget. This video is going to be focused on the big boys, the most advanced MIG, TIG, and multi-process welders that Eastwood offers. Now, for the biggest MIG machine we offer, the MIG 250, the 250 amp behemoth. This is capable of welding up to half-inch thick plates with a frankly incredible 60% duty cycle at the full 250 amp setting, and really that right there is where this machine shines. Just like the intermediate MIG 180, this can go into either a 120 or 240 volt outlet. This can weld aluminum up to 1/4 of an inch with the optional spool gun, and you can still do flux core with this, but it is lacking some features admittedly. You do not get the 2T and 4T cruise control mode or the tack timer, but this is still the choice for the professional welder just from the raw power alone. Next up, we have a more technologically advanced machine for the TIG welders that we offer, and that is going to be the TIG 200 AC/DC Digital. This takes all the great features of the intermediate AC/DC and adds to it with digital functionality that makes it even easier to get perfect TIG welds. Obviously, this has AC for aluminum welding, but it also has a brand new feature, the 2T and 4T cruise control modes on a TIG machine. That means this can be programmed to ramp up to a certain amperage, hold, and then ramp down over a specific amount of time. There's also a pulse setting to get perfectly repeatable stacked dimes with no foot pedal necessary. Great if you don't have access to a foot pedal where you need a weld. There's an AC/DC mix function to help control the arc when welding aluminum. There's a spot welding mode, options for scratch start or high frequency start, and 20 memory presets to save and quickly jump between all your settings. You also get the higher quality accessories like the flex head torch, the rocker foot pedal, rotometer regulator, stick welding capability, and it's all packaged into a much more lightweight and portable form factor compared to the 200 AC/DC. It really is difficult to find a TIG machine with all these pro features at a better price. The MP250i is the king of the multi-process welders from Eastwood, and if I had to pick one welder for my garage, you know this is what I'm gonna go with. You can see this is where the design really changes compared to any of the other welders we offer because it's basically its own welding cart. It has storage for 2 bottles and 2 independent gas systems, so switching between MIG and TIG functionality is as easy as hitting a button. It also has storage for TIG filler rod tubes, cable hooks to keep your wires organized, and big wheels to roll over obstacles. The power is impressive. This can MIG and stick weld up to half-inch thick plate steel and stainless. It welds aluminum up to 1/4 inch with the optional spool gun, and very importantly, it does true high-frequency start DC TIG welding up to 3/8 of an inch thick. The other multi-process machines are only scratch start TIG, so to me, this is the only true TIG machine of the multi-process welder lineup. It does all of this with a frankly unbelievable 60% duty cycle at the max 250 amps. Incredible technology here. The heavy-duty double drive roller feeds thick 045 wire without skipping a beat, and it can hold the regular 8-inch spools or the even larger 12-inch spools of wire. You get all the features and equipment you need. The leads come with even longer cables than the other multi-process machines, so you can easily move around. You get that nice rotometer style regulator, an easy to read and adjust digital display, and it comes with that super comfortable rocker foot pedal that the dedicated TIG machines get to really make TIG welding just as good on a multi-process machine. Simply put, this is a really powerful do-it-all machine. Remember, this is the third part of a 3-part series. Part 1 with the beginner welders and part 2 with the intermediate welders will be linked below. Be sure to check those out if you haven't seen them already. Press a button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're giving away a MIG 180 welder at 500,000 subscribers. Make sure you check out our content too. We post tons of great how-to stuff that you're definitely going to want to see. We'll have all the welders you saw linked below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'm Joe. Keep it right here at Eastwood to do the job right.